Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Samantha and I do skin bleaching tips and review all about the skincare. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. Please like, share, subscribe and blow up the comment section with your nice green comment. So in this video today, I will be mixing a lightening cream for you all so you can follow my steps. This is my first time using this product, so I know there's a lot of people might know about this cream. I've used this cream, but I have not used this cream, so I want to use this cream and test it out and see what it is like. So guys, if you're interested, continue watching. And also, before I go any further, I have not been posting much because I have a lot of things going on. Busy, and I'm trying, guys. So guys, this is the cream, the Carotone cream. A lot of people have been saying this cream is just not the cream for them. Some people say, oh my god, this cream is amazing. So this is a light and natural Carotone, brightening up your skin complexion in just, look, trying to get it right, 3 weeks. It's just not showing. So if you're looking to lighten your skin in space of the 3 weeks, I guess this is the right cream to use. Also, what you're going to do to mix this cream is using the milk protein lightening gel, guys. Yes. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try open this. Alright, and then I'm going to see what it looks like. So beautiful, right? Okay, I'm going to take out half of this and then I'm going to add the milk protein in there. Alright, make sure you're taking the steps right, guys. Don't do no foolishness. Alright, so this is it. I took out all of it and then I'm going to pour the milk protein in there. Looks so beautiful, yo. It doesn't even look like a gel. Wow, it looks like a cream. Okay, I'm going to take out all of it. So now I'm going to mix it. That's really good. That's water. Okay. Okay, this is how it looks. And this is a soap. I will be using the Papa Beauty Soap Lightening System Skin Light. It's a 7-7 skincare. Guys, if you wanted to know how the soap looks, this is how it looks. So in case you are buying the soap and you make mistake and buy the wrong one, this is it. Right? And guess where it's made? It's not made from China. It is made in England. Oh my god. England, guys. Amazing soap. Look at this. Oh no, this is amazing. Well guys, this is the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and remember to share with a friend. And I do post, so remember to come back to my channel and watch some more videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys. Love you all. Big up. Carotone.